Welcome back to today's video, and shout out to Seagram Escape for creating this 4th of July masterpiece that we're about to do. So without further ado, let's go and get started. Alright, so now we got started. We already took the liquors out, so you can see we got the blue, the white, and the red, celebrating Independence Day, 4th of July type thing. So I got my ice already in here, 2 cups of ice, and I'm going ahead and start with the blue for my base. So I added the 1 cup, or I added half of the bottle in there. So now let's blend. So we're going ahead and make it an icy drink. Alright, got our consistency we want. Let's go ahead and scoop it out. So we get the rest of the icy part out. Put a little more in there. That should be enough, and then we're gonna even it out. Just make sure it's even. Even enough. And then we're gonna start on the second one. As you're waiting for this one, make sure you put them in the freezer so it can stay at least solid. We put the blue base in the refrigerator, let it freeze. Now we got 2 more bottles to go. So we already did the blue, now we start with the white. Let's go ahead. So like I said, we already loaded our ice. We just go ahead and dump it out. Now you see that we blended up our white Seagram's Escape. And we're gonna start trying to layer it. We're gonna start gentle first, y'all. Start gentle. Now you see that we just layered. Lay it down nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. Pat it down. I think I probably put too much in this one because the red needs to be at the top. We're gonna go to the next one and do that one correctly. Nice and smooth. You see that? You hear that ice sound like you're outside in the snow? I think that would be enough white. That should be enough white. And then we repeat the process. Put these 2 cups back in the fridge, and we'll come back and finish it off with the red. See? Alright, now we're going for the 3rd step. But last but not least, the red of our 4th of July drink. Go ahead and pour that in. Put that on the side. And let's start the blending process. Okay, now we finished blending of our 3rd drink, Seagram Escape again. Seagram Escape. Now let's go ahead and remember, nice and smooth. Layer the top part. Pat it down if you have to, just to get the layering. Like that's good enough for me. right here. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Shout out to Seagram Escape for creating these drinks, the red, white, and blue colors. So go ahead, have fun, and enjoy y'all summer.